Lemongrass tea benefits, recipes, and side effects. What is the lemongrass tea plant? Lemongrass plant, also known as Cymbopogon, Cochin grass, or Malabar grass, is a type of grass that is known for its citrus-like flavor. It is a tall, perennial plant that is used for culinary, medical, and therapeutic purposes. Lemongrass usually grows in clusters in subtropical or tropical regions. So, it's easy to find this plant in India, Sri Lanka, the USA, Brazil, Southeast Asia, Africa, and Laos, to name a few. It is most commonly used in Thai and Vietnamese cuisines. Lemongrass essential oils are also used in spas and for cosmetic purposes. Incidentally, India happens to be the world's largest producer of lemongrass. Now, lemongrass tea is simply an herbal tea made with lemongrass. Lemongrass leaves are usually infused or boiled with water to prepare this tea. You can find lemongrass tea leaves in stores, or you can grow it at home as well. How to choose fresh lemongrass? The rule is simple. Go for fresh, green leaves. Keep these things in mind as well. 1. Make sure the stalks are firm. Avoid picking rubbery or soft stalks, as these types do not have a very rich flavor. 2. Avoid rusted, old, and dried leaves. The ones with brown outer leaves are too old and are most likely not useful. 3. A good healthy lemongrass stalk is yellow towards the bottom, with green upper stalks. If you plan on storing lemongrass for a longer period of time, then keep these things in mind. 1. Trim them well and store it in the refrigerator. They can last for close to 2 weeks like this. 2. You can also cut the stalks into small pieces and dry it out in the sun. After this, it can be either stored in a dry, airtight container or powdered. 3. In case the stalks or the plants have dried, you can grow them again like how we've mentioned above. Lemongrass tea benefits and side effects. There are several health benefits of lemongrass tea, just like green tea. A few effects of lemongrass tea are as follows. Benefits of lemongrass tea. 1. Lemongrass has antioxidant properties, which can help treat the imbalance of free radicals and oxidative stress. 2. Can help regulate blood pressure. 3. Helps with weight loss. 4. Lemongrass tea helps relieve anxiety and stress. 5. Helps in the prevention of infections and protects the immune system. 6. Its anti-inflammatory properties help treat inflammation and relieve pain. 7. May help in gastrointestinal disorders. 8. Can help with anemia. 9. Has potential anti-cancer properties. 10. Helps relieve bloating and edema. Lemongrass tea side effects. Lemongrass has no serious side effects, and scientists consider it as a safe herb. In fact, its antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties make it a great herb with several benefits for your body. However, it can induce menstrual flow. So women who are pregnant are advised against the consumption of lemongrass. This is the only known side effects of drinking lemongrass tea. How to make lemongrass tea for weight loss. How to make lemongrass tea for weight loss. Making lemongrass tea is no rocket science. It is simple to make, and incredibly tasty and calming. 1. Cut lemongrass leaves or stalks into small pieces of about 1 or 2 inches. 2. Fill a vessel with a cup of water and bring it to boil. 3. Pour the boiling water into a cup, and add the pieces of lemongrass into it, to steep. 4. Let this be this way for about 5 minutes. 5. Use a strainer to strain the tea into a cup. An alternative way to prepare this is to boil the lemongrass along with the water. The flavors are richer this way. You can use lemongrass tea leaves or tea bags to make this tea as well. Lemongrass tea recipe. Drinking lemongrass tea is not limited to the one way mentioned above. There are several other recipes for the same. Here is how to use lemongrass for tea. Lemongrass herbal tea with ginger extracts. 1. Chop lemongrass leaves or stalks to an inch or 2, and wash them. 2. Chop a few slices of ginger. You will not require much. Just an inch should suffice. 3. Bring a cup of water to boil in a vessel. Add lemongrass and ginger extracts and continue to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. 4. Use a strainer to strain the tea into a cup. 5. You can add a sweetener of your choices like honey, jaggery, or sugar. Ginger is a carminative, so it is great for treating gastrointestinal issues like bloating and excessive flatulence. Lemongrass iced tea. If you're in the mood for something chilled, then this should do the trick. 1. Chop lemongrass leaves or stalks to an inch or 2, and wash them. 2. Bring a cup of water to boil in a vessel. Add the lemongrass leaves or stalks and continue to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. 3. Use a strainer to strain the tea into a cup. 4. Wait till it cools down, and then store it in the refrigerator. 5. Once it has cooled, squeeze a little bit of lime juice, and enjoy. This recipe can help detox and cool your body down. Lemongrass and mint leaves. 1. Chop lemongrass leaves or stalks to an inch or 2, and wash them. 2. Wash about 4 to 5 mint leaves and keep aside. 3. Bring a cup of water to boil in a vessel. Add the lemongrass leaves or stalks and continue to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. 4. Use a strainer to strain the tea into a cup. 5. Add a sweetener of your choice, like honey, jaggery, or sugar. 6. Throw in the mint leaves on top, before drinking it. Mint leaves have several health benefits. It can relieve indigestion, help with cold and flu, relieve sore throat, prevent mouth odors, and even improve brain function. Guess what? There's something else you can use lemongrass for. Your very own DIY recipe for skin and hair. Here's how. Lemongrass for skin. Treat breakouts with lemongrass. Boil lemongrass with water, cool it down and rinse your face with this regularly. For a lemongrass face scrub, grind some lemongrass with olive or coconut oil. To this paste, add some sea salt. Use this mix as a face scrub to enhance circulation. Lemongrass wash for hair. Lemongrass has antiseptic and antimicrobial properties. This means it can protect your scalp from inflammation, dandruff, and excessive shedding. All you have to do is soak some lemongrass in some water and boil it in some water. After it has cooled down, rinse your hair with this.